Hey guys, it's Ella and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if this is your first time watching one of my videos, then welcome. Today I am going to be showing you guys my room. So there's still a few more things I need to add to my room, like hang some pictures and print some pictures and stuff like that. But it's pretty much done, so I thought I would just kind of show you guys around. So let's go in. I'm gonna do a little challenge. So I have a lot of elephants in my room because I love elephants. It's like my favorite animal. So if you want to, you can count how many elephant things you see and then comment below for a shout out on my next video. So when you walk in, like probably the first thing you see, depending on where you look, is my bed. So I just have like this elephant blanket, and then under it is actually like a pink quilt. And then I have this ivoryella pillow because of course I love ivoryella. Make sure to go check out my ivoryella surprise box videos if you haven't. But yeah, some of my friends gave me this and I'd been wanting it for a long time, so that was amazing. And then I just have this pink pillow, and I have this, and I have this really soft long pillow that I got for Christmas this year. And then next to my bed I have my nightstand or night table, whatever you want to call it. So I just have my phone charging right now, and then I have this little thing. It says Dream, and I painted it at Paint Yourself Silly a few years ago. And then I painted this too because I wanted to have like a star theme in my room, like have like gold stars. We don't really have like any other stars besides this, so that kind of failed. And then I have this elephant lamp, so there's another elephant thing, and there's elephants on my phone case, so if you're counting, then you can count those. I have a book that I have to read for school, and then I have two little devotion books. Next to my nightstand, I have this chair, and it's super soft. I think it's from Pottery Barn or Pottery Barn Teen. And then I just have this pillow, and I think my mom actually had someone make this for me. I don't know who though, it was a long time ago, but yeah, it's just another elephant thing. One of my distant cousins painted this, and I love it. It's so cool. She actually made it for like a garage sale that we were doing, and she made a bunch of other ones, and I just loved it, and she said I could have it for free, so that was really nice. Okay, so then I just have my ukulele right there. I have a window. It's snowing, so that's why there's snow. Yeah. It's a snow day today, actually, so that's nice. So here's my shelves, and I do a lot of my videos right here. I have all these different shelves, and this is my favorite shelf. Oh, and if you count all of these elephants, then you're gonna be adding a lot. Okay, so I have this from my friend I got for my birthday a few years ago, and it holds bracelets and rings. This is from Mexico. It's a piggy bank that my parents got me. And then this from my grandma. This is also from Mexico, and it's made out of fish bones, actually. And then these are just like little figures that I got a really long time ago, and I just put them there. And then these are little glass elephants from my grandma. And then this I forgot I had until yesterday, but I think one of my grandmas gave it to me, and it's like a little magnet, and it like bends around, and it's really flexible, like most elephants. I think another one of my grandmas gave me this. This was my great grandma's, and then this is another elephant figure, and that one is too. And then my grandma gave me this, a different grandma than that one. A lot of these little ones are from one of my grandmas. She gave me this one. It's a little, like, I think it's like a lucky elephant or one of those kind of things. And then this, I think she also gave me. And then this, one of my grandmas gave me. And then I think my grandma gave me this too. And I got this at Valentino's like a long time ago or something like that. I like one of those little vending machine things. Not vending machine, what is it called? It's like those little prize things where you like put in a quarter and you get like a useless little toy. But I mean, this is pretty cool considering it came out of that. If I can keep it in my hand. And then this is just another elephant piggy bank, I think from Mexico. And I painted this at a summer camp a few years ago. And then this is from the grandma who got me like all these little ones. So this elephant opens up, which is, you know, really natural and normal. Okay, so I put some of my fortunes in it that I got from like fortune cookies for some reason because I didn't know what to put in here. I'm gonna pull one out and see what my fortune is. Pleasures await you by the seashore. I always get ones about vacations. Like, let me pull out another one and see if it's about a vacation. Well, I guess we got two fortunes. Real courage is moving forward when the outcome is uncertain. You will be coming into a fortune. That was pretty useless. Okay, so yeah, and then the last one I'll show you is this little elephant that my grandma gave me, and I think she gave it to me like after one of the musicals I did as like a little gift. I think it has like sand in it. Anyways, pretty cool. This is the last thing that I'm going to show you on the shelf, and you might be wondering why this is on my elephant shelf, but I promise it has to relate with elephants. Okay, so on my sister Violet's birthday, we went to this place called 10,000 Villages, and we were with our cousins, and my aunt showed me this. I am so happy she did, because I would not be holding this right now, so thank you to my aunt if she's watching this. Okay, so if you get grossed out really easy, you might want to skip a few seconds, because you might get grossed out by this. It's actually a notebook. I don't know why it has bunnies on it, because it doesn't really relate to bunnies at all, but the paper is made out of elephant poop or dung, whatever you want to say. So like, look at the paper, like all the detail in it.
Ew.
And it's pretty amazing, and I should probably wash my hands now, so I'm gonna wash my hands really quickly because, you know, wash hands after every use. Failure to do so can lead to heart infection, projectile vomiting, and death. I'm just gonna put on some of my hand sanitizer. So I made a commercial about the elephant poop notebook with my cousin, and it was pretty funny actually. I don't know, I was thinking about putting it in this video, but I don't know. If you want to see that, I'll put it in a different video, or maybe I'll just post that separately. So comment below if you want to see that, because it's pretty funny, in my opinion. I don't want to like go into too much detail because you might get really bored. These are just a bunch of teacups that my grandma gave me. She gives all of the granddaughters like teacups and teapots. She also gave me this, and my cousin gave me this. Okay, so this is my cousin that I was talking about that I made the commercial with. Look, I had like a lost tooth, and like my hair was really short. These are my grandparents, and they gave everyone a mini picture of them. And then this is Jeffrey, my piggy bank, and there's only one person out there who would know why its name is Jeffrey, and that's my cousin, so it's an inside joke, guys. Then this is just a follow your heart picture, and I made this with my cousin. Okay, when I say my cousin, it's probably gonna be her, unless I say it's a different cousin. Down here I have a little picture frame that says 1 Chronicles 16:34, and I have these little angels. They were my great-grandma's. And then I have this little music box. One of my grandmas loves music boxes, so she gave me this a while ago. It just has some like jewelry in it. It says, granddaughter, a beautiful reflection of yesterday, a joyful promise of tomorrow. So there you go. I guess that's the definition of granddaughter. This is a little snow globe that I got a really long time ago, like probably I was in like elementary school or something. I made this with my cousin, and it says, the Lord is my strength and my song, Exodus 15 verse 2. And it just has like a gold bird. And then this I got when we we lived in Hawaii for a little bit. This is from Paint Yourself Silly. This is, I made those all a really long time ago. And then this is from South Dakota, and this is too from like a little cave. This is from my cousin. It's another elephant thing. I love it so much. I have this, which has nothing in it, but my grandma just gave me it. And this, I think, was from my aunt and uncle's wedding, and they had it as like a centerpiece, but they just gave it to me, and somehow these plants are like still alive. I don't know if it's like a special plant that doesn't need water. Their wedding was like 5 or 6 years ago. I don't even know. Okay, and then down here, we're not going to go into much detail. This is just like some Harry Potter things I collected. Most of them I collected a long time ago. Just have like some books and like old scripts and stuff in here. And, oh, I need to go through this. What the heck? Empty, so that can probably go in the trash. Oh, this was my mom's when she was a kid. I have some books, and these are from my grandma. More elephants. Oh, and there's elephants right here, so you can count that. Then I have these little bird houses I made at my grandparents' house a long time ago. I made this in like 1st grade or something. I made it on June 7th, 2011. I was 5 when I made this. I think it's pretty good.
That's pretty good for a 5-year-old.
Yeah, I have some old pictures of me, and then I got this when I was born. It just says 2005 on it, and then on the bottom it says ellamae. Then I have this from dance a few years ago, and then this is from my friend Cheney. She gave me it. My cousin made me this, another elephant thing. I do not know how she made that. It's so cool. Then this shelf, I made that with my cousin. I'm gonna put like little Polaroids on it, and then I made this with her. And then I got these with my grandma at the antique store. They're pretty old. I didn't know this happened until like yesterday, but the leg broke off, so I probably should glue that. Okay, and then I just have this from my grandma, and then this I need to put a picture frame in. It's like a really cool kind of like snow globe picture frame. This that says dream big. And then up here I just have some Harry Potter Legos that I got for Christmas a few years ago. I don't know if I'll always keep them there. I want to put like some pictures, like maybe that elephant picture over there, but they're just there for now because I don't really know where to put them. Okay, so next to my shelves I have this little pin board thing. I don't know what to call it. I just have some medals, like this is from piano and this is from dance, and then this is from like a VBS thing or something. I can't really remember. And then I have this my cousin gave me. I think I made her one and then she made me one, or maybe the other way around. This is from like 1st or 2nd grade with some of my friends. I haven't seen them for a really long time though. I just found this note in my room that one of my friends gave me. Okay. Good thing I did not lose this, because if I lost this, I might have stepped on it later and then like had to go to the ER or something. So, and then I have some ribbons from swim team, and then this is from a Christian arts and academic meet, and I got a superior for a poem I said. Then this is from the Race for Grace I did with my cousins, and then these are just some letters from friends and like random notes and stuff like that. So yeah, then I have this elephant picture. I'm gonna get like more pictures and make like a little collage. I don't know, what do you call that? But for now we just put that there because otherwise it was just like against the wall. Now on the right side of my door, when you walk in, if you look to the right, then you see this dresser area. I have these really cool flowers, and it looks like this is made out of like pearls or something. It looks really cool. Then I have this that I made at my friend's birthday party. And then this is just a Polaroid of Maryn and I from a really long time ago. I have my Polaroid that I got for Christmas. And then I have this sign, I just turned it on, so that's why it wasn't on a few seconds ago. It says dream big. And then I have this, which is like one of my favorite decorations in my room. It's another elephant, and it's just like white, and it has a really cool texture. I don't know what you would call that, but yeah. And then it's like a little fake plant. It has like fake dirt. Oh. I thought the dirt wouldn't fall out because, you know, it's fake, but apparently it did, so. And I have these 2 little picture frames, so I still need to put pictures in them. I love this. So I actually got this idea from my friend. She has a thing similar to it. It's a little bit different, and it's like silver, but she put like lights on it and she puts like pictures on it, and I thought that was really cool. So shout out to her because I got it from her. I got the idea from her. I'm gonna get more pictures for this, like with some of my friends and stuff like that. But for now, I just put the ones that I had like printed out on here. So we took this picture at the state fair, and we took it with a monkey, and his name was like Gilligan or something like that. And I remember she was like, stay still so he doesn't scratch you. And then he like scratched me when I was staying completely still, and she got mad at me, and I was just like, not my cousin, but like the lady who was taking care of the monkey. And then these are just some programs from like shows I've done. And then this is Legally Blonde. This is High School Musical Junior, Annie Junior. All of these are Junior. The Sound of Music, High School Musical 2. I'm trying to cover up the name of the place. Here I have all these stuffed animals. Most of these are like really old, but a lot of them are elephants. So let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 5, and I think there's probably like 5 more elephants in there, so you can count 10 right there. I guess right here, I just put my backpack right here, and I have my script from the musical I'm doing right now, The Little Mermaid. So we're basically done with my room. I'm just gonna like give you a little sneak peek of my bathroom. This is what it looks like. I have a really big mirror. So right here I have my caboodle that my friends gave me for my birthday. And then it just has like a bunch of scrunchies, and I have like a few little hand sanitizers in it. And then here, these little, what are these called? I don't even know.
Really?
These little hair tie things. Yeah, we'll just call them that, hair tie things. I have this little elephant towel with 3 elephants, and it's probably from Home Goods. I don't really know though. This is from Costco. It's like one of those mirrors that like zooms in. And then I have this Scentsy that my friend gave me for my birthday. I have these little soap. They're like little point shoes. And then I have this. It smells really good, but it's almost out. It's Twisted Peppermint soap. I love Bath and Body Works soap. A lot of Bath and Body Works stuff. Okay, so I have like a little bit of makeup. I don't really wear a lot of makeup. When I do, it's usually just like concealer or mascara. And then I have like some lip balm and stuff because I have really chapped lips. And just some more like perfume body sprays. And this is some shower gel. These are really cool. They're like little foaming hand sanitizers. And then I just have like a bunch of drawers, and I'm not really going to show what's in there. And here there's just like extra towels and toilet paper and stuff like that. And here I have just like some earrings. And then this is a really pretty necklace that my aunt and uncle gave me for Christmas. And it's an elephant and it has an E on it for Ella. I have this gold elephant picture. I love it so much, and it's from Home Goods. And then I have my shower curtain and my shower, obviously. And it's just a gold elephant with like some stars. And then I have this sign. It just says beautiful. Not gonna do any like detail at all, but if you want to see what my closet looks like, then this is my closet. It's kind of messy, but some clothes and sweatshirts and my more nicer things like dresses, except for this is not really a dress. For Halloween a few years ago, I was Sully and one of my really good friends was Mike. Okay guys, so that is the end of my room tour. I really hope you enjoyed, and maybe this gave you some ideas if you're gonna be like redoing your room or something. Please make sure to comment below and give me any video suggestions you might have, because I really want to start posting again, but I just don't really know what types of videos to post, so I really need some ideas. And also, if you counted the elephants that I have in my room, please comment below. That would be super fun if like a bunch of people commented, like 30, there's probably more than 30 in here, but you know. So yeah, just comment below and I will give you guys shout outs in the next video if you did comment how many elephants you saw. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed and you want to see more videos like this one. And also please go check out my channel called Christian Cousins that I do with my cousin, and my other channel called The Stud Sisters that I do with my sisters. We do like a lot of vlogs and fun things like that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!